Let's learn and grow. K. K is for koala. Let's draw it. Let's start by making the little eyes, a big nose, and a sweet little smile. Now fluffy ears on its head. Then its furry body. We will also make a eucalyptus tree. A few leaves as well. Now, let's color it. Koalas are gray, but we can also use black very softly. And at the edges and dark areas, press black harder. To adjust the gray color, we'll use white. Now lighten that green in the eucalyptus leaves. Brown in the tree. Black hair. Combination of pink and orange hair. And we will blend the colors. Look at this cute little koala. It's clinging onto the tree and holding a leaf as well. That is just so adorable. Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in the description. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.